Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your fun-loving, animated, talking head friend, Callous Mind, back with another educational episode of the Talking Head Podcast. Before I get started with this episode, I want to ask you viewers for a favor. If you're not already subscribed, please do so now. I have a goal, and that goal is to get to 2,500 subscribers before January 1st, 2020. So I'm asking you beautiful viewers to engage with my content. Like it, share it, and or at least comment on it just saying, hey. Engagement sends a positive signal to YouTube, and I'm trying to break the suggested rule that recommends we build the channel around only one topic. I like to talk about many topics and don't really like the idea of being pigeonholed, or cornholed for that matter. Whoa, sorry. I gotta take my shots at funny when I have them. With this idea in mind, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the tools in the arsenal of tools I use to make these videos. More specifically, I'm going to be highlighting a shortcoming or weakness in Adobe Character Animator. This isn't a super huge deal, but I wanted to make a video highlighting this problem in case some of you beautiful viewers are using Character Animator and wondering if you're the only one experiencing this issue. This video is brought to you by Clipio. If you're looking to get started creating videos for yourself or to sell and profit from, I encourage you to check out Clipio today. You can create vertical and horizontal videos, use stock footage or import your own. Use the available emoji, stickers, and audio library to take your videos to another level. Clipio is a cloud-based software, so no more overloading your computer. Get yours today by following the link in the description box below this video. Normally, when you set up your scenes, you can actually do a timeline, compute lip sync from scene audio, and it will go ahead and compute the audio for you like this. What I really wanted to tell you guys about this particular thing was that when you're bringing in an audio file, it cannot be any more than 5 minutes long, and I would recommend that you stay at about 4 minutes 50 seconds maximum. Because what I have noticed when trying to do longer clips is that the visemes stop after so long. So in other words, you can see that I have this document set out to 10 minutes. Because before, when I was experiencing this error, I had the document only set out to about 5 minutes, and I thought, maybe if I extend the document time, then the time on the audio will just keep trucking right along too. But the reality is that no matter what you do, the audio will stop. So even if you put in a 6-minute clip inside here, and then you go up here to timeline and compute lip sync from scene audio, it's only going to compute that lip sync up to 5 minutes. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to resort to making your scenes like 4 minutes 30 seconds maximum, and then splitting your audio out accordingly, just like that. Okay, so this is just kind of a tip from your friend Callous Mind, and I just wanted to make you guys aware of that because it's one of those gotchas that got me, so I'm passing it along to you, so hopefully it doesn't get you. Now, it may not be like that in the most up-to-date version because I have not updated the version that's on my computer because I get used to things, and sometimes I'm afraid to update them because I don't want to get bit in the ass by an update, you know what I mean? So that's it. This is the end screen. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I do certainly appreciate it. A huge thank you to all you beautiful subscribers. Don't be afraid to share, like, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to comment, and I will see all you fantastic people in the next video. Later.